We are going to roast eggplant for our baba ganoush. I have 3 small ones, so if I add them like this, it's like the size of a normal one, okay? So we're going to remove the stems. I'm going to take the leaves off so I'm not cutting too much of the eggplant off. And I'm going to wrap these in foil. I am going to roast these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 centigrade, for about 45 minutes. The eggplant roasted and I let it cool down. Now I'm simply going to peel it. I'm going to put this into my food processor. We're gonna add 3 garlic cloves, which are peeled, 1 teaspoon salt, the juice of a lemon, I just squeezed this, and 2 heaping teaspoons of tahini. I'm gonna add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cumin. And we process. Taste it and see if it needs a little more salt or lemon. For me, it needs a little more salt. I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon. Everything else tastes fine for me. This dip will get thicker in the refrigerator as it cools down, okay? So we're gonna serve this with some chopped parsley on top and a drizzle of olive oil, like that. Serve it with pita bread, with pita crackers, with whatever you want. Perfect. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.